Hand action verbs. Flick.
Flick.
He flicks the ball. Scratch.
Scratch.
Don't scratch yourself too hard. Rub.
Rub.
Rub your hands together. Punch.
Punch.
He punches the bag. Slap.
Slap.
Do not slap others. Tap.
Tap.
Tap the screen gently. Pat.
Pat.
She pats the dog softly. Poke.
Bar.
Don't poke your friend. Pinch.
Pinch.
The baby pinches my finger. Grab.
Grab.
Grab your backpack quickly. Grip.
Grip.
Grip the handle tightly. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Squeeze the lemon gently. Twist.
Twist.
Twist the bottle cap. Snap.
Snap.
She snaps her fingers.